Good afternoon once again, you guys. Time check. It's 1 p.m. and aalis kami in 1 hour to start our travel. Nakatulog na si Chico, nakatulog na si Mayumi. We are all, at least I am set para umalis. I am just doing the final packing para sa mga gadgets na mapasok sila sa Ziploc. Calby, hindi talaga natulog si Calby, guys, right, Calby? You don't sleep, right? Hindi talaga yan siya natutulog. Ang ginagawa niya, guys, ganyan lang talaga. Naglalaro lang siya, quiet time. Pero before I leave, I'm going to surprise Auntie with this red envelope. Hindi pa pala tapos, guys, ang mga regalo. Nakaka-overwhelm, pero ganun talaga pag yung mga blessings ay umuulan. Pop, I will look for it, love. So anyway, etong envelope na to ay pinabibigay, pinasusurpresa galing kay Ma'am Stephanie. And pinabigyan niya ng ganito si Ate Buji and si Auntie Christine and of course si Miss Joselle. Pero hindi ko alam kung mapapanood to ni Miss Joselle. Pag napanood niya to, singilin mo ako, ha. Pagbalik ko na lang kasi ngayon parang sobrang busy ko pa talaga at ang dami-dami ko talagang inaasikaso. Pero eto, ang lahat ay galing kay Ma'am Stephanie. And I know Auntie Christine is not expecting this, you guys. Sometimes kapag may ganitong mga dumarating kay Auntie, ang ginagawa niya is either ginagamit niya dito sa Pilipinas kung may gusto siyang bilhin, pero very rare na may kailangang bilhin si Auntie kasi minsan sinasali ko na si Auntie sa mga paglabas ko, binibili ko na lang sa kanya yung mga kailangan niya. And most of the time kapag may ganito si Auntie or may nagbibigay sa kanya ng mga regalo, pinapadala niya, guys, sa Africa para sa mga anak niya. So I'm sure this one is going to Africa. I do believe. Kaya maraming salamat po, Ma'am Stephanie, sa regalo ninyo kay Auntie. And bibigay ko na sa kanya, nasa kusina po siya ngayon. Hindi niya po ito ina-expect. Kaya tara, o baka kausapin natin si Calby. Calby, someone is giving this to Auntie for a surprise. You want to go give Auntie this? Come. Auntie, someone gave you this. It's a surprise.
What's inside?
Don't open, man. It's not for you, man. You just have to give to Auntie. Are you ready? I'll take a video, okay? Okay, ready? Let's go. Go. Andy is there.
Watching gadgets.
Then you have to lay down with him, right?
I like this one.
Oh, where's Auntie?
Auntie! She's showering.
Showering?
Yeah, I'll just put it in her bed instead.
Ayan. That's for Auntie?
Yeah.
Auntie, come. Everything is so overwhelming that I cannot find a way to give. It's just so overwhelming, but someone was sending this for you. This is $100. Yes, $100. Yeah, from abroad. Someone gave you.
$100?
Yeah. So I know I did not give you because I don't know, it's like overwhelming. A lot of things is happening. So I was finding a right time to give you. But this is from Mom Stephanie. Yes. She's so nice. She's very quiet. She's just watching our videos, not really commenting a lot. But she sent me an email and she gave you a gift, and Buji and Miss Giselle. But this one is for you. She said that she watches our video and she likes you very much and she knows that you deserve this. Minus tax. There's no tax.
Yeah. Thank you so
Just send her a message. Okay,
yeah.
What are we going to tell her?
Mommy
Stephanie.
Mommy Stephanie, thank you so much for my gift. I really do appreciate so much. And I wish you good health and Happy New Year to you all and your family. We love you so much. Thank you for loving us. We love you so much.
And let me ask you, Auntie, normally if you get something like this, do they stay or do they fly somewhere else?
They fly somewhere else. My dad.
I know, right?
Divide it here with that.
Yeah. Because I was guessing, where is this money going?
It's going to fly right away.
It's going to fly right away. You see, every time Auntie receives gifts, guys, and blessings, she sends everything for her family and Dewo and Chloe. And they are very excited, by the way, Auntie, to see the video greetings.
Yeah, I'm going to upload today.
They are very curious. What made you cry like
Yeah,
that?
even yesterday I was watching the one you uploaded,
Yeah.
but I was so much broken. I couldn't even comment. I don't know. I'm going to upload
But-
mine.
You have to upload now
Yeah,
because
I'm
they're
going
waiting.
to. I'm going to.
But did you see like 500 people was sending greetings to you? Happy birthday to you.
So many. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Yes.
By the way, I'm about to reach the 40K. I told you.
Ah!
I'm remaining with only like 100 people.
Ah.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I told you by the end of December I'll make it. Please, guys, subscribe.
Wait. They said they were looking for Joseph, by the way. Did he send you a greetings too?
He didn't. Actually, yeah, he sent through you, but he has not yet contacted me.
Really?
Joseph, yeah.
So they're gonna see Joseph greeting you.
Yeah.
Is he gonna see him in this episode?
Yeah.
I
of
think
course.
you guys need to join live.
Yeah,
They're missing Joseph.
He said he's so busy. The goats are giving birth like nothing.
Then they said, Madam, if Buji left, can you just get Joseph to take care of the kids? I'm like, what? No. I said, no, that's too much.
Yeah, it's too much.
And you know, it's expensive,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
It's very expensive to
yeah.
come here. We need like 75,000 pesos, guys, for one way alone. So that's a lot of money.
Yeah, it's a
75,000 is like 7.5 million Ugandan shillings. That's a
It's a
lot.
lot.
But anyway, Auntie, congratulations for your YouTube channel. And you know, this month has been really busy, but we tried to make it special for everyone. For you, for Buji, for Kalbi, for everyone.
For everyone.
Yes, for Kahil, especially now that Kahil is here. We're trying our best. And thank you for cooking Kahil special food all the time. Chapati, Rolex, and everything. I know, you see, not only me sees your love to us, but even the viewers. That's why the gifts are overwhelming. Imagine people we don't know sending us this.
Yeah.
How can sometimes you think it's impossible, but it's happening, you know? They have not met you, not met us. They're just watching our videos. But from the videos, they see your love for us and our love for you. That's all. I love you, Auntie. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much for
I hope-
everything that you're doing. I appreciate. I don't want to cry.
I don't
But
cry
thank you.
because we've
Thank
been crying like every single day now.
Thank you so
You're welcome,
much.
Auntie. Kalbi,
My kids appreciate you so much.
thank you, Auntie. We're trying.
Yeah.
We're trying. I know it's not easy on us.
it's
They maybe they don't know that we are also trying our best this side. It's not easy, but like I said, our focus is for the children and no one else, right? Kalbi, what did you prepare for Auntie right now? Whoa.
Can be decorated.
You know, I asked him to give this to you, and he said, let me just put it on Auntie's bed. She will come and see it. Kabi, do you see? Wow! Happy birthday! Since when do you decorate? Good job, love.
And he said, Auntie, close your eyes. I have a surprise for you.
Wow.
And he just away Chico. He said Chico should not touch anything.
Anak, happy? What's that? Happy birthday. Okay, you ask Auntie for ice cream because Auntie has red envelope.
Yeah, you see?
Look,
See,
Alvi.
Kalbi?
Wow, you see? A lot of money.
You go to SM.
Okay, guys, it's the day of we've been waiting for. You twist opposite side. There's an instruction there to open and to close. You will have to twist one by one and then put them back to the short mode. Okay, open it first, then push it up. So finally, we are doing our final packing. Kasi ngayon kami aalis papuntang Davao dahil early morning bukas, 1:00 ng umaga. Kailangan na naming mag-start for our Mount Apo. So we have to travel this afternoon and reach Davao tonight. Sleep early. Wake up for our meet-up point ng mga hikers. And right now, Kahil is just making sure he knows what's inside his small backpack that he's going to use during the hike. You can do it, anak. Open it first, then push it down.
I already opened it.
Go.
This is my bag. It's pretty small, but can fit all my stuff for the hiking trip.
What's inside your bag? What should be in the big zipper? What do you put inside the big zipper? Your
what is it called? It's like
2-liter water bag.
2-liter water bag, and I have to manage my water carefully because this is going to be for 7-hour walk up the mountain. And this will fit inside the big zipper. Hold it.
Right now it's still empty. We'll refill it.
Yeah.
Be careful. What else do you have in that size of your bag? In your small backpack.
I also have candy.
Show us what's inside, please.
I have my energy.
Whoa.
These are for my energy when I'm getting really tired.
Whoa.
What's that red thing?
This one? This is a granola bar. I'm pretty sure this is like for protein.
Yes, correct.
Keep it energized. And I have gloves to protect me from sharp things like when I'm going up, maybe I might accidentally scratch myself on a tree branch.
Or rocks.
Or rocks, yeah. And then when I sleep, my hands will be safe because I will touch the ground with the gloves.
Correct. And it can be very cold, right?
Yeah.
What else do you have?
I also have this, which is a head buff.
Or nose cover.
Yeah, nose cover
They
to
said,
keep you away from pollution.
They said it smells sulfur up there.
Yeah. So, you do it like this.
Correct. Yes.
To keep your nose safe from any bad pollutions.
Or
smell. And this is maybe for your hair. Maybe if to keep away from
too much cold.
Too much cold, or maybe like raining.
Yeah.
You can cover it up.
Right. What else do you have?
I also have these are
Trekking poles.
Trekking poles, yeah. And you can adjust them
Hmm.
to make them a certain height, which is comfortable for you.
How do you put it on? I can see there's like a string. How do you put it on?
So first you put it through here, because if you put it on top here and then you do this, you might slip and
Break your
break
wrist.
break
So you enter from down.
down,
Then you
and then you hold it here tight,
on the neck.
like that.
Like this. Where is your other stuff? How about your clothes and stuff? Your clothes, your plate, your cups. Where are they? Your lights.
Inside that huge bag that is very huge.
Someone is gonna carry it for us. They are called porters. Porters are the one who helps hikers carry huge bags and heavy bags. Only if you cannot. Some people prefer to carry their bags, right? Okay, pack your bag once again, please. And put one raincoat inside as well in case it rains. There's a raincoat. Do you have any gadgets inside your bag?
No.
Okay. So, ayan na guys. Yan lang yung dadali ni Kyle. Para hindi siya mahirapan kasi first mountain niya to, Mother Mountain. Mother Mountain means very first mountain na i-hike ni Kuya Kahil. So, the rest ng mga gamit, kung hindi nyo nakita dyan, it's already in the huge mountain hike bag, which is 60 liters or approximately not more than 15 kilograms. May porter po kami na magdadala niyan. And yeah, I'm going to explain more kapag nasa ground na tayo. But for now, that's how it looks like. Etong sa gilid, guys, those are sleeping mat. Yeah. That's for the big zipper. In case it rains, it will cover your head. Looks like this, Kyle, with a hoodie. So your lights and your lamps, I have them. Because you don't use them until it's nighttime, right?
Yeah. We're gonna
Okay.
go at nighttime around 2 to 3 a.m.
Okay, now you can put your bag on that side. Then you will be wearing your sandal when we leave today.
Oh wait, what about that?
Your shoes is inside here. You see this pocket under here, Kahil?
Yeah.
Your shoes is right there.
My other one.
Yes, welcome. Sobrang magmamadali namin. Putol-putol yung nakukuha ko ng mga shots for this episode. Pero anyway, I did already the intro kanina and na-mention ko na sa inyo na ngayon ay ang aming alis papunta ng Toril. Sa Toril pala kami pupunta, hindi mismo sa Davao. Pero yung aming jump off will be at Kapatagan. Tama ba? Tama ba guys? Yes, Kapatagan yung jump off namin for our pag-attempt na maabot ang summit ng Mount Apo, the highest peak of the Philippines. So ngayon, we have been traveling for 15 minutes, I believe, or 20 minutes. We left Jensen already, guys. Nagpaalam na ako sa aking mga kapatid and I informed them that we already left. I gave them they already know kung sinong natira sa bahay. I gave Auntie Christine's contact number para ma-check nila si Auntie from time to time ang mga bata. And right now I'm traveling with Parts. Si Parts yung mamaneho ng kotse, and then kapatid ko, ayan, baka nakalimutan nyo na may kapatid akong lalaki. Ayan po siya. Tulog ba? Hoy! Ay, tulog pala sana all. Passenger princess ka ba? Nasa front seat yung kapatid ko, guys. Pumunta siya sa amin from Cebu. Doon siya sa Cebu naka-base dahil nag-aaral siya as a real estate agent, and at the moment yun din yung kanyang ginagawa. So sa lahat ng mga gustong bumili ng property sa Cebu, ayan guys, i-contact nyo naman ako para meron naman tayong, ang tawag mo dyan, commission. Referral. So sumama yung aking kapatid for this. Tinry ko lang na tanungin siya kung gusto niya bang sumama for the Mount Apo hike, and he immediately said yes. Kaya 4 kami ngayon ang pupunta. Kasama ko din si Kuya Kahil. Of course, this activity can be a dream activity for some, and some other people wouldn't even think of doing this activity kasi nga maybe it's not their forte. It's not something they want to do. Maybe they believe this is very uncomfortable for them, or maybe they know that this is out of their comfort zone. But because, like I said, I really wanted to be spontaneous this year and the coming years ahead, inshallah, I would like to really challenge myself and of course experience the things that I never thought I'm going to do, like this one, guys. Mount Apo, never in my life na na-imagine ko ang sarili ko na aakyatin yung Mount Apo. Hindi ko nga naisip ang sarili ko na maglakad ng maliit na bundok, Mount Apo pa kaya. Pero here we are, you guys. Alhamdulillah, we are finally going to do it. And inshallah, we will be taking our next episodes through the trails of Mount Apo and up at the summit mismo. And kasama ka nga pala si Kuya Kahil, which is taong tulog yan. 15 minutes pa lang kami, guys, on the road. Tulog na yung anak ko. So nagdala talaga ako ng unan for him to make him comfortable. Pero hindi ako nagdala ng kumot. So okay lang kasi medyo full pack kami. Dala namin yung mga bags namin and gamit namin. I did not give you guys a bag reveal. Hindi naman siya bag cabinet reveal siya, guys. Ang daming gamit. Parang kulang na lang. Dalhin ko pati yung TV sa bahay. Sobrang dami. Pero I don't want this to be tiring and uncomfortable experience for Kahil. As much as possible, I would like to make it at least a bit comfortable. So I added some few things na hindi naman talaga siya kailangan, but because may pusong nanay tayo, nilagay natin sa listahan. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo ano ang laman ng 60 liters namin na bag, you guys. 60 liters talaga, hindi naman 60 kilos. 60 liters lang. And magkano yung nagastos? Hindi ko na yata matrack kung magkano yung nagastos ko para sa preparation ng Mount Apo na to. Pero itatry ko, guys, na i-share sa inyo para meron naman kayong idea para sa mga never pa nag-hiking. Katulad namin, nakapag-hike ako before. Yung first hike ko is Lake Hulon, which is South Cotabato. Ayan, the crown jewel of the South. Very beautiful, you guys. Mesmerizing. It's like heaven. Very serene, very nice experience. Hindi ko makakalimutan, and I will always go back there. And this is the second hike, pero this is my mother mountain, Mount Apo. Same goes to my son Kahil. Mother mountain niya din to. I believe si Parts din. Tama ba? Yes, Mother Mountain din ni Parts and sa kapatid ko. Sinama ko si Parts guys kasi si Parts ang magiging piloto ng aming drone and also going to help me. It's going to help me sa aking vlogging for our behind the scenes. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo talaga halos lahat ng mangyayari. So para wala kayong surprise, no? Kasi naganap ako ng vlog about Mount Apo. And it's quite difficult for me to get the yung talagang very raw na behind the scenes. Talagang makikita mo yung mga, at least malalaman mo kung ano yung kailangan mong i-expect, saan lang hanggang yung expectations mo. So we have booked, by the way, with a team headed by Mr. Marlon. Ayun, i-share ko yung contact details sa definition nitong video, but they call themselves Team Papang, very popular group as well. And some of my few friends, even my sibling guys, si Boss Jean, na nag-hike sa Mount Apo, eto din yung contact niya. So kung paano nila kami tratuhin, makikita nyo din yan sa mga sumusunod na episode ng Mount Apo natin. Worth it ba talaga yung binayad natin? Yun yung mga tanong. Worth it ba yung binayad natin? Kaya ba talaga ng beginners ang Mount Apo? Ano yung mga must do, must haves, expectations versus reality? Ano pa ba? Lahat you guys. Ang hirap at ang sarap na mararanasan natin doon, i-share namin sa inyo. Kaya naku, huwag nyong i-miss yung mga sumusunod nating episodes. Right now we are driving to Toril kasi nandun ang doon kami makikitulog sa bahay ng guide namin for Mount Apo. Kasi doon kami pipick upin ng van for tomorrow at 3 AM you guys. So December 28, 3 o'clock ng umaga ang aming link up sa meet up point. And then we will be going to Kapatagan and start our jump off. Ayun. So I'll see you guys. Hindi pa kami, malayo pa yung biyahe namin. Dito pa lang kami ngayon. And wala, chill mode lang kami kasi maaga pa naman. Basta ang target is makarating kami by before 6 PM, on or before, have our early dinner, and of course rest early for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys more on today's episode. Gising na si Kahil. What do you understand what I'm saying? Gising
Kahil is
na.
very hungry.
No. Gising na means
Sing.
no, awake.
Very sleepy.
Awake.
Is awake.
Say, gising na ako.
Gising na ako.
Meaning I'm awake.
I'm awake.
Hey, it looks good on you when you speak Tagalog. You say again, gising na ako.
Gising na ako.
Asusoy.
Okay.
Asusoy.
Asusoy.
Nakatulog si Kyle ng 1 oras. Finally, we are almost there. I believe we have like less than 1 hour left to go. And we are going to reach our friend's house kung saan po kami makikitulog. Magpapaampun tayo. Syempre, mas mura kesa sa mag-hotel. Mabuti na lang may mga kaibigan tayong tumatanggap sa atin sa kasagsagan ng pangangailangan nyo guys. At hindi kami nag-stop for anything kasi magastos. Sabi ko kung pagutom kayo, minom na kayong tubig dyan.
How do you say hungry? How do you say?
Gutom.
I'm gutong.
Gutong?
For McDonald's.
Say, gutom ako.
Gutom ako McDonald's.
McDonald's. So we don't see McDonald's pagani. If we see McDonald's, then we do drive-thru. Okay?
Yes.
Ayan, cheat day lagi si Kuya Kahil pagkasama niya ako guys. Kasi hindi naman sa pinapagutuman siya ng tatay niya. Alam nyo, masaya lang ako na masaya ako na nakakakain si Kahil ng gusto niya. I deserve
cheat day because dad eats 10 cheat days per month and I only have 1 per month.
But your dad is a dad. He's not training to become the best soccer player in the world after Ronaldo. What's his last name? Ronaldo. That's his last name. Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi and who else? My favorite, Neymar.
Neymar Jr.
Neymar, the most handsome. Is he? Is he the most handsome player? He's the most handsome player. Nagustuhan ko si Neymar actually hindi dahil sa paglalaro niya guys. Parang gwapo lang siya. So anyway, malapit na kaming dumating. Doon na lang kami kakain guys sa bahay ng aming friend. And bibili kami ng pagkain namin. Kasi nakakahiya naman, nakitulog na tayo. Palamunin pa tayo. So bibili tayo ng pagkain natin guys para konting hiya naman dyan. Ano naman dapat? Sensitive ba? Huwag tayong magpasagod. Pasagod sa Bisaya. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog. Pero anyway, Kyle, are you ready? Kyle saw the mountains. He asked me if that's Mount Apo. I told him not yet. Are you scared?
No.
Are you nervous?
McDonald's would cheer me up.
Alam nyo, pag si Kyle talaga, pag nandito sa Pilipinas, yung Jollibee niya halos 2 beses sa isang araw kung pwede pa lang. Kung hindi Jollibee, McDonald's. Bawal kasi sa kanya yung fast food. Kasi it doesn't build him his energy for his training. So most of the time, protein, chicken, right? Do you do fish?
I only eat kai dao.
Egg. Yeah, egg, chicken. How about fish?
Yeah, I eat fish sometimes.
Fish. How about beef?
I eat beef, but not always. It's hard for Dad to cook beef.
Okay. That's okay.
He cooks pad thai.
Pad thai. Pad thai is noodles.
Yeah.
He knows how to do pad thai?
Yeah, not like very good. It's like cucumber pad thai.
Maybe you're talking about cow pat. No?
What's cow pat?
Cow pat, fried rice.
Yeah.
Yes. So what Kyle is talking right now guys are Thai food. So when we say pad thai, ito yung kanilang fried noodles Thai style. Then we have the cow pat or yung fried rice. Then yung kai dao is yung fried egg. Fried lahat. So far, ang ganda naman ng aming biyahe. Masyadong makulimlim, parang uulan, pero hindi umulan. Mabuti at kami ay darating before 6 PM nga, tamang-tama yung oras natin. Kasi I'm hoping that we will be able to sleep by 6 or 7 para makapagpahinga kami ng ayos para bukas. Kasi ang pangit ng feeling pagka mag-hike ka tas kulang ka sa tulog, parang zombie mood. Pero guys, so far so good. We are happy. Na-bother ako kasi bumili yung kapatid ko ng 3 raincoat. Isa lang yung napasok ko sa bag. Hindi ko alam saan napunta ang 2. Ay kulang pala ng isa. Baka mamaya umulan ako, patay na. So tayo ay check natin mamaya pagdating dun sa location, sa aming tutulugan. Papakita ko sa inyo ang laman ng aking bag as a first time mountain hiker. Mount Apo yan. Mount Apo talaga ang tinarget. Hindi pwede yung mga mabababang bundok lang muna. Pero this is going to be a very amazing and exciting milestone for 2024. Something that we are looking forward to and something that I cannot wait to share to you guys. Sa mga interested na gawin to guys, na panoorin nyo talaga itong mga video na sumusunod. At ilang beses ko nga palang inaya si Madam Ten Gibbs, to be honest with you. I really tried pursuing her to come with us, but she feels like she's not really physically ready. But for me, I know she can. Kasi si Madam Ten Gibbs, meron siyang hikain si Madam Ten Gibbs. Sa amin magkakapatid, ang mababa yung hininga ay si Madam Ten Gibbs at si Madam Bibi. Sila yung inaatake minsan ng mga allergies, mga ganun. Hindi makahinga ng maayos, mga hika sila. Kaya medyo takot sila sa mga ganitong activities. Pero sabi ko naman sa kanya, feeling ko kakayanin niya lang. Pero hindi talaga nadala guys. So ngayon kami muna and then they will watch the video and let's see from there. Maybe they will try. Pero minsan kasi we have a different kind of yung type natin ng mga activities na challenging sa buhay natin. For Madam Sheena, si Madam Sheena gusto niya rin sumama, pero sunod-sunod kasi yung challenges ngayon sa buhay ni Madam Sheena. Shout out nga pala sa aking eldest sister na mahal namin. Shout out Mami Sheena. Shout out Mami Sheena. She's always watching our videos. Can you tell her something? Because right now she's going to watch this video. Go!
I love you, Mami Sheena.
What else?
I miss you and I hope you can come over. Because I really want to see you again.
Oh, lalagyan natin sound effect. Oh. So si Madam Sheena, hindi pa rin natin makakasama guys for the new year. That is so sad. Normally, kompleto kami kapag kabagong taon. Pero this time, hindi po kami makokompleto. Kulang kaming magkakapatid ng isa. And si Mama din ay hindi ko alam kung darating ba ngayon or bukas. Kasi may pinuntahan, may nilakad si Mama. We are hoping na makabalik si Mama at least. Pero pag hindi sila makasama guys, i-edit na lang natin yung kanilang mga mukha, ilalagay natin sa picture ngayong bagong taon. Ayan. Yun lang guys. I'm just updating you. I'll see you guys more on today's episode.
Peace.
Peace. Is it? Where did you get that? For me, I say kaboom.
I say peace.
Mati ka? Busog ka? Busog ka? Di ba nakakain? Masarap yan? Say, masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap means?
Yummy.
Busog means?
Awake.
Ay, naku Kahil, bagsak ka naman sa Tagalog mo.
Hungry.
Ay, busog means? Full.
Full.
Gutom means?
Hungry.
Ay, anak. Seriously, anak. Dapat marunong ka na magtagalog. Sa summer, ha? Sa summer, mag-practice ka magtagalog, ha? Okay? Magtagalog ka na, si mama sa'yo. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo kung maintindihan mo. Anong binili mo? Patingin. Anong binili mo? Patingin. Ano yan? Juice? Coke? Ano yan?
Coke.
Coke yan? Eto ano yan? Eto ano to? Salamat.
Burger.
Ayan guys, finally at nakaabot na kami ng safe and sound. Ayan si Team Papang. Oh, mag-hi ka naman, oy. Team Papang. Ayan guys, ang aming head tour guide. Tama ba yun? From, organizer pala. Under Team Papang. Siya yung aming organizer para sa aming magiging hike sa Mount Apo. And we reached before 6 PM. Wow, congratulations! Ayan guys, before 6 PM nakaabot kami. So kami magdi-dinner ng early, magpapahinga ng early dahil bukas lalabas na kami ng 2:30 AM at be at the meet-up point by 3 o'clock ng umaga. At dahil maaga kami ngayon, at least makakapagtrabaho ako ng around 1 to 2 hours muna. Hindi ako nagdala talaga ng gadget para kay Kuya Kahil. Tingnan nyo siya guys. Oh. That's what happens kapag wala siyang gadget. Talagang maghahanap siya ng way na mag-e-enjoy siya. Kasi nga, kailangan niya detox. Digital detox ba yung tawag mo dun? Ayun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang guys. I'll see you on the next episode na lang. Parang hindi ko kayang gawin yung aking unboxing ng bag ngayon dahil ako muna yung mag-i-edit. Pero maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat-lahat ng nanood ng recent vlog natin about sa pagpapaalam natin kay Ate Buji. Meron nga palang nag-suggest, no, ma'am, papuntahin mo na lang si Joseph. Siya na lang ipabantay mo sa mga anak mo. Grabe kayo guys. Alam nyo ba ang pamasahe? 75,000 pesos one way lang. Plus yung visa, ang dami pa nating iisipin. Tsaka si Joseph, marami nang inaalagaan ng manok tsaka kambing. So, shoutout nga pala natin, Travel with Joseph. Ayun. Nagba-vlog pa din siya, guys. Mabuti naman at lahat ng natutunan niya ay na-apply niya at hanggang ngayon ay ginagamit niya sa tamang paraan. So, I am very happy and proud. And as you can see, Maring Sara Pedun is also doing so well with her YouTube channel. I am very happy na na-impart, tama ba yun? Na-impart natin yung ating knowledge and skills sa iba. Kasi, we also got this from someone else. Pangit maging madamot sa skills. Pangit maging madamot sa knowledge. So, I still like teaching kung sino yung interested sa mga editing, ganyan, kung ano yung alam ko. Mas gusto ko na i-share siya kasi this is something that you can actually live, you know, sa isang tao, right? You cannot give the person fish every time, but teaching them how to fish is always the best option. Ayun. Maraming salamat you guys once again. And of course, I'll see you on the next episode. Palagi naman yan. Lagi nyo naman kami nakikita at napapanood. Sa lahat na nagmamahal sa amin, na solid, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mahal na mahal din namin kayo guys. Kyle, say thank you to them.
Peace!
Much love from Princess Yiga. I'll see you on the next one.